high level, no OpenAI, no Anthropic, no XAI directly, but I know a lot of the services and things that people were building was in the background using some of those tools. For example, some of the core themes that I would say is there's a lot of companies utilizing AI to mention or try to sell this idea that guardrails, implementation, governance, all of those problems that an enterprise could get involved with, I have the solution, just buy my software. Another big thread, and I think it was one that's going to get interesting in the next few months here, is there was a ton of voice agents. I mean, a ton. And all of those voice agents are intended on impacting customer service representative. I don't know if that's going to come to fruition, but there was a lot here, a lot of voice agents. So that's going to be something that we have to grapple with in the future, is voice agents coming, being sold out of the box, off the shelf to companies. A lot of the companies were saying that I could solve your AI ROI problem. I'm guessing with more AI, right? AI show. So some sort of process or application that essentially is going to help you fix your ROI problem, enterprise. That was a theme as well. Not too much physical AI, which was weird. There was Unitree here and this company called AGI Bot, which is a good naming for the time that we're in right now. And the last thing, I guess, is coding agents. Coding agents is an interesting one because if you think about it, enterprise show, off-the-shelf platforms, software, even voice agents are all at risk of being impacted by a corporation that goes out and invests in some coding agents to arm their software engineering team with, to build their own coding voice agent, to build their own whatever tool they're thinking about in the conversation, right? So that's an actual thing that executives are talking about, is this idea that there's a build versus buy that's drawing corporations more to the build side because of speed, right? I've heard folks talk about going from a 6-month software loop to 2 days, which is crazy, and that's using their own internal resources to build whatever application they're trying to build. So there's definitely a build versus buy, kind of squarely coming from some of the coded agents that we see out there. So hopefully that means more work for the people that's working in that corporation, and then that means gainful employment for the moment. But that's some of the big high levels from the show. I'll come back and talk some more about it, but I just figured I'd give you some quick ones.